Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Today I wanted to cook some salmon for dinner and I've decided to jerk it. Now, salmon is a very nice fish, but it takes some seasoning. So I've cut it in bite-sized pieces and I'm going to jerk it. Now if you'd like to see me do that, then follow me. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. If it's your first time watching me and you've not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe and also give me a thumbs up. When you do that, it helps to push the video. So please remember guys, thumbs up. I bought a salmon at the fishmonger and I asked him to fillet it, and I could have asked him to take the skin off, but I do like the skin. But if you want to take the skin off, go for it. But remember, when you take the skin off, it tends to break apart easily. Now, keeping the skin on keeps mine. I like that part when I fry it. It gets very crispy. Now that's the reason for keeping it on. Now today I've decided to jerk some salmon, but I'm going to cut them in bite-sized pieces. Now you may decide whether or not you want to leave the skin on or take it off, but I'm going to leave my skin on. I don't mind the skin. Now I'm going to cut them in chunks. You will cut to your desired size. And I believe this size is perfect for me. Pieces. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Now I'm going to give the fish pieces a rinse, and I'm rinsing it in this colander because I don't want to be touching the fish, because salmon is very delicate and you don't want to break a fish. Now I'm going to allow it to drain all the excess water off. Now that it's all drained, I'm going to put them to the bowl and season. Now remember, it's jerk salmon and I have the mild one, but I want some heat, so I'm going to add the dry jerk seasoning, which gives heat because it has the pepper. And then in the end, I'm going to use the wet jerk seasoning. Now I'm going to pour some oil on the fish, a good amount, because I want the seasoning to stick. And then I'm going to sprinkle my dry jerk seasoning all over my salad. Then half spoon of all-purpose, which is my salt, just a half a teaspoon. We season and let it marinate for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come and finish. It's time for cooking, but if you do have the spicy jerk, you wouldn't need to do this section. You can use any other seasoning to season your fish, but because I didn't have the spicy one, I had to do that. Season it with whatever seasoning you like, and then you add the jerk at the end. To my pan, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil, no more. Remember, it's seasoned with oil, so I'm going to add that to the pan. Now the oil is hot, I'm going to put skin side down. Now if you took the skin off, you just put them in, but watch them. I'm putting skin side down because I want it to be a bit crispy. Now, if, as I said, I didn't have the hot and spicy jerk, so as a result I had to use the dry jerk. Now if you have hot and spicy, season your fish the way you like it, and then you use the jerk seasoning as I'm going to do at the end. We fry these about 2 minutes on each side. 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Please remember guys, to hit that like button, it means a lot. Now that I've removed the last piece of salmon, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of butter. And this is olive oil spread, it's actually olive oil. And I'm going to allow it to melt. While this is melting, I'm going to add a teaspoon of crushed garlic. And I'm going to allow it to fry just for a few seconds. We add our jerk seasoning, a tablespoon of jerk seasoning, and we're going to let it blend in with the butter and everything. Now this is where you're going to get the real authentic taste of jerk, because I'm going to throw the salmon in now and let it absorb that flavor. So we're going to throw it in. Remember, salmon is very tender, delicate, so you don't want to stir to break them. So you just spread them nicely so that they can all absorb this wonderful jerk flavor. Stove is on low. I'm going to let it stay for about 2 minutes to steam in this jerk seasoning. Now it's all finished, and I'm going to turn it off. I don't want it to cook anymore. Oh yeah, love it. I'll come back and show you how I plate this up. Now here you have it, jerk salmon bits. Now you may eat this with rice, eat it with whatever you like. It was so delicious, and also the jerk seasoning at the end. It had absorbed that flavor, and there are pieces of the jerk marinade stuck on it, and it was so mouth-watering, guys. It was delicious. Guys, I must tell you, this has now become my favorite way of eating salmon. Small bites. Oh, it was delicious. Trust me, I'm not saying it because I made it. I am telling you, it was delicious. Please try it. I am sure you won't be disappointed. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.